doing belonging assemblies every month, and part of belonging here in our school is together, but also part of belonging is being a part of our whole school district and all of the schools and all of the students and families on this island. So this picture says we are islanders, we all belong here, and it means that every single one of us who live and play and work and have fun and go through good things and go through hard times, we're all here together, and we all belong and are valued and known and welcome and invited no matter what. We all have that unconditional value here. So we often get to celebrate with just our school, but today we have a special guest presentation and performance from a group from the high school. And part of that group coming here is to connect with you and for you to connect with them. So we are welcoming them, we're inviting them, and we're getting to know them, and they're getting to know you. And that is an example of belonging in our whole school district community. So I'm going to invite the leader of this special group to introduce himself and the special presenters that we will be getting to see and learn and hear from today. Come on in, Mr. Bixby.
It's great to see you and so many familiar faces out there in this fantastic school. What a fantastic presentation about feeling and being known. It's special because you're making time out of your day to say that we matter. Can you nod big if you understand what I'm saying here? Yeah, really special for us. This is what we love to do together. We love to make music, we love to march, we love to entertain, we love to have fun, and we can't do that without an audience. So for you to take the time to let us do that with you is really, really special. You ready to have some fun? Here we go, everybody together. Dig-a-da, dig-a-dig-a-da-da. Dig-a-dig-a-da. Go am I. Here we go, West Mercer Elementary. Ready? Hey, go am I. Comes again. Here it comes again.
about what belonging means to all of us. What belonging means to me as a West Mercer Wolf is that I was here in this gym, and I found what belonging meant to me. Being here in this gym, playing tag, playing kickball with Mr. Allen and all of my friends, that was belonging. That was belonging for me, and I also find belonging with these guys. These are my best friends in the whole world. And so, part of us being here today is I just want a moment to say to all of you, whatever it looks like, whether it's choir or orchestra or a sport or band, that I really hope you guys find something amazing. Find it in the community, and you're gonna find a place to belong. The best thing that I can say is find the people that make you happy. Find them and stick with them.